Hello everyone, Neo again from TopFX with another instructional video for the cTrader platform. In this video, I'm going to show you the drawing section on the cTrader platform. The drawing section basically gives you a couple of tools, not a couple, more than a couple of tools where you can use it on your chart. So, for example, let's assume that I want to draw something. I click right next to the chart on the symbol drawing list. I click on pencil and maybe I do this circle. And as you can see, I can customize the circle. I can expand or construct the circle by clicking on it. And along with that, or I can just simply remove it or change even the color. Let's say I want to make it red. Now let's use another drawing or simple. I can even add a text by clicking on text right here, and I just type circle, for example. Or I can do anything that I want. And again, I can remove it and do another one by right-clicking, so on and so forth. There is a plethora of tools that the cTrader platform adds and has so that it can aid you to your technical analysis trading. Once again, my name is Neo. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.